Uh, Hi everyone. Today's topic is upgrade to dynamic related list. So let us go. Today we completed only one unit. So let's get started with dynamic related list. So I am already completed. So we take this challenge. Let's click at launch. And in this unit, you need to do dynamic related list to record page. You need to add a dynamic list in record page. So firstly, we go to the app launcher. Okay, click it here, just type account. Okay, in account, after I click all the records, sorry, all the accounts, and go scroll down. Here's United Oil and Gas Card according to your assignment, and click on edit page. So edit page here. Wait a minute. Gas card, click it here, edit page. Okay, and after edit page you need to delete all the components like account context, all these things. So this suite is loading. So is showing in your or just delete it, all these things. Okay, no need to delete activity, just delete it here. And you need to add a related single command dynamic related list single. Okay, so just scroll down, here is dynamic related list single. And after adding this component, you need to add opportunity, choose a related list opportunity. Okay, so just related list, and just scroll down, is showing opportunity here also. And then just save it. Okay, after saving you need to activate or not it, so just click out not it, and just scroll down, save the page. Okay, now this unit is completed. It's a simple, this small unit. You need to do one add a dynamic related page or record into a dynamic related page, and just edit and add the component and activate or save. Okay, let us see the verify the points is correct or not. Just wait for 15 seconds, automatically patch. Okay, then now this unit is completed. Now we move to the next unit. In this unit, you need to customize the related list. In the first unit, we need to create a list, and second unit, you need to customize. So I'm making the video for next unit. So if you have any doubt in the first unit, you just comment it. I'll solve your queries. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.